Thank you.
Okay.
My pimples ruined my eyes.
Here, you can do it a little bit later.
Mukhang mababait yan, ano?
We'll
Yeah,
wait for
headlock daw ba yan?
nurse to.
Yeah, hemlock na? Madadalhin ka siya na.
Just wait for the nurse. Okay, thank you.
Smile, Miss Snow Gallbladder. You have no gallbladder.
Excuse me.
Sorry. Say hi to Daddy and everybody.
Hey, Daddy and everybody. Hey, Mommy, Mary, Shirley.
Hey, you're gonna be like my frog.
All right. If you come back, you'll be later. See you later.
Okay, I love you.
Thank you, ladies.
Welcome.
It's a very important person. Take care of her until we see her again.
I don't know. We must Sister Beverly.
Okay.